Hi, my name is Colin Saunders and I'm the Chief Executive of For Vintage. So the main area that we work with Reflect Digital on is search engine optimization. However, that's increasing all the time. What we've been really impressed by as our relationship with Reflect has progressed is how knowledgeable the company is and the team are about other areas of our business that are important as well. I think from the very first meeting with Reflect, when I met with Paul and Becky, which was meant to be an informal kind of 30-minute get to know you, we spent about 2 hours together really deep diving into getting to know each other and getting to know each other's businesses, and that personal relationship permeates throughout all of the services that Reflect offer. We get a great service level. The quality of the work is excellent. I think where Reflect have a real point of difference is the team. I think the people on the team are knowledgeable, subject matter experts, but are really nice people first and foremost. And they work, and what you, as an outsider looking in, what you see is the team work incredibly well together. I think our relationship and the value for money that we get from Reflect is superb. We look at the results over the past 6-7 months on the SEO work that the team have delivered, and they have been exceptionally good. I now see that we're growing, our organic ranking is growing up across a number of really critical terms for the business. But as well as the SEO work, I also see that Reflect's help and support in other areas of our business has also really had a positive impact. So overall, we're really, really delighted.